Good afternoon. So today we are making cinnamon rolls for the first time. I've never tried to make cinnamon rolls before, but I've always wanted to. So I thought today is the day. We are using Sally's Baking, and here are my ingredients. Let's get to it. This is my flour. This is my child. And I'm gonna do 50 grams of sugar to this mixture. Oh my gosh. Hey, none, and salt. So it says to combine the milk and the butter together, which I'm doing on the stove. The mixture is warm to touch about 110 degrees. My trusty thermometer here. Whisk in the yeast until it has dissolved. So we are spending our last few days here in Hawaii again. And honestly, this trip has been great. It has been really nice for my children to spend time with their cousins and for us to just spend a lot of quality time with our family. I think now that I'm away, that's the one thing that we all realize is that time is more finite than it was before. And you know, it's not that we just took each other for granted, but I think now there's an end to when we're gonna leave. So, you know, the things that we wanna get done or things that we wanna see, or it's more of a priority, I think, to spend time together, which is nice. But we're excited to go back and to get back into a routine there and to just enjoy life there as well. Tonight for dinner, our family's coming over. I'm making some katsu, and I really wanted, I don't know, I just had an itch to make cinnamon rolls for a long time. So that is what we are doing today. We also started getting on a matcha kick, and I've been making matcha for my parents every day, like a matcha latte. And it's been really nice. My mom says that she feels like it's helping her muscles not ache as much, which is quite interesting. But I found this one on Amazon, which we used today for the first time. It's the Naoki Superior Blend, and I'll put this one in the description box if you want to try this one. But so far, I mean, I thought it was good. I don't know. I don't have that matcha palette yet, but we're enjoying just the ritual of making matcha daily, which is nice. This is what it looks like warm. My 1-year-old is just kind of running around right now, trying to keep an eye on her as much as I can. Okay, so not more than 110, so I think this is good. And then now it says to whisk in the yeast. Add the egg. Okay, mommy has to add the egg. Okay? Can I add the egg? Egg. This has been keeping my child busy for the last 10 minutes as I've been making my cinnamon rolls. Fall down. See you in 90 minutes. So we're almost done with the tonkatsu. Honestly, it's not my best work, I must say. I don't know if it's like because I'm not used to this pan or I don't know. I don't know why, but it didn't come out.
It's deep fried.
Yeah, I also use, my mom only has olive oil. I don't know if that's why too. I usually use vegetable oil, but we didn't have that. So I don't know if that's why it didn't quite work out. Then the last couple. And then we are going to make plates. Then I'm going to put my cinnamon rolls and let's go check on them. My cinnamon rolls, I think they've risen. Oh yeah, they're all squishy though. I think this is probably the best it's going to get. So after that's done, we'll put this in. It's been rising now for almost 2 hours. It smells really good. And we will put these in the oven. Okay, dinner plates are ready for the young ones. We have katsu and some grapes and some salad, rice. I don't know if they haven't risen too much because I squished them all together. But we are going to put them in and see how they turn out. Here are the final cinnamon rolls. I think I put too many in there, but it's okay. I'm gonna add on my frosting. This is a little bit cinnamon. It's like hot, straight out of the oven. This is what I was imagining it being like though. Mmm. This is good. Oh, this is winners. So good. It's hot. And the cream cheese frosting, just like it's like the best topping. Oh, this is so good. I'm gonna make this recipe again. Winners. What did you make for family dinner tonight?
I made tonjiru,
Which is
like a
bagel piece.
It's like miso soup with pork, the ton.
Yeah.
And then it also has I didn't follow the recipe exactly, but it has daikon. So it's basically like miso soup with daikon, and I put some carrots.
Ooh, okay.
And of course the pork in there.
I've never tried a tonjiru. We'll try some. Okay, we're gonna try some tonjiru with some rice. Has like a light miso flavor. It's not the same as like a miso soup. It's lighter. Oh, but it's good. I can taste the pork flavor, which you don't taste in miso soup. Oh, very good. 10 out of 10, Kathy. Good job. That's good. Yes, oishiru. Did you help make the tonjiru?
No.
No? Okay, well maybe we have to bake this on the channel. Let me know if you want to see tonjiru on the YouTube channel.
Get a fork.
You got some here.
You have some on your chin.
Oh yeah, pass me a fork.
Oh, sorry. It's very delicious. Good job. I love the frosting on it.
Yeah. Do you feel like it's a little too dry inside?
No, it's very moist actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Good.
Really good. Good job. You did a great job.
Scratch.
From scratch. I could be a baker.
Wow, it can be anything. I'm gonna try a piece of Carrie's, what do you call this now?
Cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon roll.
Good, huh?
Oh, this is good.
Like professional.
Something like from a bakery.
Wow. Move over, Pillsbury.
Over Kingsley.
Are you trying it too? How is it?
Very good.
Oh, it's a good recipe.
That was one of the best cinnamon rolls I've ever had.
Wow.
So what were the other best?
That was the best.
Oh, Mario made one too?
Best.
Ah, Mario made one too.
Better than bakery bought. The sauce, the frosting is perfect.
That was a very good cinnamon roll.
Really?
Yeah. So good that Mario took half of it. Here. Yeah, here. Here. I already had a lot of food. Here.
So we're gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed watching me make dinner tonight. Reach is finally eating now. Okay, so is there any kind of food that you ate while you were back
Like
here?
a rainbow's plate lunch. I did have one of those.
Ooh, what did you have in it?
Mahi mahi. Boring.
Boring. Okay. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.